Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm super excited because Mother's Day is Sunday. All right, so today I'm going to be bringing you a Mother's Day gift idea. It's not too late for you to go ahead and make this for your mom, your grandma, or whoever that special woman is in your life. All right, so first of all, I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Even if you know, a biological mom, or you just have kids that you have raised, whatever it may be, I just want to say Happy Mother's Day. I hope that you all have an amazing day, because this day is a day for us to celebrate, to enjoy, to sit back, relax, and let someone wait on us. All right. So I am going to be showing you how to sublimate a tumbler. Now, what I've done, I've already went into Canva, and I'm going to be making this tumbler for myself. Now, what I've done, I added some pictures of my husband, myself, and our three girls, and I just did a sand. I'm always thinking of different things, so I went ahead and put this sand on the design that I did in Canva. All right, so we're going to go over to Canva. I'm going to show you the design that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be sublimating using my sublimation paper, as well as my Epson ET 2760 converted sublimation printer. All right, so I also have the tumbler. All right, remember I told you in the last video, I think it was the last video or one of the videos, I told you that I bought a lot of tumblers from um, Heat Transfer Warehouse. That is my go-to place for my tumblers. So this is one of the ones that I purchased. All right, it's a sublimation tumbler, and it comes with the straw. All right, and that's how it looked down on the inside. Let me show you. All right, so I'm going to be using my convection oven. That's what I use in order to heat my tumbler. All right, heat the design on my tumbler. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you what I have designed over in Canva. Then we're going to print it out. I'm going to show you how to put it on the tumbler. Then we're going to go to the convection oven, let it get a little heat, and then we're going to see how it looks. All right. All right, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, everyone, so here is the design that I did here in Canva. And like I said, I just added the pictures of my husband, myself, and our three kids. And here I just wrote my own saying here, and I said they are mine and I am theirs. All right, so pretty much how I did it, I just went on here, just clicked the background because the background was white, just clicked on it and just put whatever color I wanted. So I wanted this color, and then I just went over to photos, to uploads. Let me see. Yeah, to upload, so where it says images, and I just pulled in images that I wanted. And all I did here was just typed in, went to text, and just typed this saying in using the font that I wanted. Okay, so this font is that word right there, Parasine. All right, so this is what I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and print this out on my Epson ET 2760 converted sublimation printer. All right, y'all, so I'm going to show you how, because this is the design, so I'm going to show you how to print. You go right here to where it says share, click on share, go down to where it says download. All right, and right here you have a drop down. It says PNG, and when you click it, it says JPEG, and it says PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video, and GIF. All right, so we want to go right here to where it says PDF print. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. All right, everything looks good, so I'm going to click download, and as you see, it's downloading right here. All right, so once it finished downloading, it will come up, mine come up over on the left hand side. Yours may be different, so you just click on it, and it comes up in another area here on my computer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the little printer button here, and I'm going to choose my Epson ET 2760. It's already on it. Okay, and then I'm going to go in here and just choose my settings, and it will print out, on my Epson printer. All right, everyone, so here is the design, my design that I made in Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my tumbler. Remember, use alcohol to clean off your tumblers, all right, to get any dirt or anything off. All right, everyone, so here is my design again, and here's my tumbler. So what I'm going to do All right, I'm just going to take my tumbler because I wanted to, I want my, the words that I put on here, I want it to sit right at the lip of this tumbler. Okay, so I've trimmed everything off using, I have this paper trimmer. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make sure everything is lined up. Okay, and make sure you lay it in your lap or something. Okay, I just want to make sure I show you how to do it. Okay, just make sure it's even at the bottom and the top. Okay, and what you have to do is to make sure that it is tight. You want this seam, this part here, to be as tight as possible. Okay, and once you get it really, really tight, you take your heat tape and you tape it up. Okay, now everything that I'm showing here will be in the description box below, so that you can go and, you know, if you need some items. Okay, but this is how you go ahead and wrap tumblers. I also have a Sublimation playlist, a Cricut playlist, and my most recent video in the description box below. So if you have not seen all of my videos, make sure you go and check them out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tape this up, and we're gonna go in here and heat it up using my convection oven. All right, everyone, so I have taped up my tumbler. You know, everyone is different when it comes to taping. My taping may be different from the next person. The next person's taping may be different from mine. That's what sets me apart from everyone else, and that's what sets everyone else apart from me. All right, so we all have our own way of doing things. All right, so I'm going to go in here to the kitchen, and we're going to put this in the convection oven. We're going to set a timer, and we're going to see how it looks. Let's go. All right, everyone. So here is my Black & Decker convection oven. It is listed in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and place my tumbler in here. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to set my timer at, I'm going to do 3 minutes this time. Okay? Because last time I did it, it turned out pretty good. But I want to just bring the time down some. And then we can adjust it, you know, if we need to. All right? So I'm going to put 3 minutes on my microwave. I like to set my timer on the microwave. All right, so let's go. All right, everyone. So here I took my tumbler out of the convection oven, and as you see, the picture is coming through, showing through, which is a good sign. But I'm going to go ahead and put it back in my convection oven for another minute. I put it on 3 minutes, so I'm going to put one more minute on it to make it 4 minutes. And remember, I'm not going to turn it. Then we're going to come and check it at 1 minute to see how everything turned out. All right, so the 1 minute is up. So as you see, everything looks pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the tumbler out of the convection oven. First, we're going to turn everything off. All right. And now we're just going to go ahead and remove it. It's going to be really hot, so make sure you use your gloves. All right. And as you see the picture, all the pictures are coming through pretty good. So that's a good sign that it did take. So we're going to go in here and we're going to check it out. All right, everyone. So here is the tumbler. I am super excited about it. As you see, the pictures and everything came through pretty good. All right. So as you see, I taped everything, and we're going to go ahead and take the tape off, and we're going to see how everything looks. All right, remember, I did not turn it like I normally do. I normally turn it twice, but this time I did once. So let's go. All right, everyone, so let's go ahead and peel the tape off. All right, so it has cooled down, which is a good thing. I don't have to put my gloves on. So we're going to try to get this tape off. All right, I think I need to find my little pick here. So just be careful with the pick because you do not want to scratch your tumbler, but it helps a lot trying to get the tape off, as you see me doing right here. All right, so we're about to see how everything looks. We're going to see together, and let's see, y'all. Ooh, everything is looking really, really good. All right, that's the top of my husband's head. So let's go ahead and finish taking off the rest of this paper and tape. All right. All right, so as you see, I'm continuing to take the tape off. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish taking the tape off. Sometimes this tape is really hard to come off, but you need it to be tight in order to make sure that everything, um, adheres to the cup like it should, your design. And there I am. Look at your girl, y'all. Look up there. All right. I'm also a balloon stylist, and I made this balloon wall that I took the picture in front of. And let's see. Look, there's my husband. All right. And as you see, it did go all the way to the top, which I wanted it to do. And this is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Love, love, love it. And again, like I said, I'm making this tumbler for myself for Mother's Day. All right. So look at my twin. Oh, look, y'all. So pretty. Look at her. And there's my oldest daughter. Now, this was a picture from her birthday, a photo shoot that I did for her. All right. She had her crown on, and that throne chair belongs to me. I'm an event designer, so I have a throne chair. So I did this photo shoot for her, and it's absolutely beautiful. All right, so I'm trying to take the tape off. All right, the design did go all the way to the bottom. All right, so let's finish taking this paper off so that we can see. All right, so there's my twin, and let's go over. All right, look at here. There's the sand that I put there. All right, and look, there's my other twin. Oh, wow. Everything came out gorgeous. I love it. All right, everyone. So as you see, everything came out beautiful. All right. So as you see, the line there, that's the way I wanted it. All right. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. All right, as you see, all the pictures line up the way that I wanted it to, the sand, everything, the design go all the way to the top and the bottom. All right, as you see, this is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, so if you would like for me to make a tumbler for you, my information, my email address is in the description box, and I would love to make one for you. I am also working on my Etsy shop that will be up very soon, so that you all can place orders and things like that. Um, so yeah, I am super proud of this tumbler. Super proud. And y'all, I am doing a voiceover here because, like I said, my microphone went out and I did not realize it when I was talking. Um, So I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. All right. I hope that each and every one of you have a happy Mother's Day. Remember to enjoy yourself, have fun, relax, and let someone else wait on you. It is our day. It is our time. And also make sure that you celebrate your mom, your grandma, your aunt, whomever it is of that special person in your life. Make sure you celebrate them. I understand you may not, a lot of us don't have money to buy gifts, but your presence is amazing. Your presence is the most important thing that you can do for someone. And I'm going to show you my mom. That's my mom, all right? Let me see if I can point her right there. All right. My mom passed away in 2013. All right. But I have her everywhere with me. She is here. There's her picture. Um, so let me give you a closer look of my mom. All right, y'all. So I have this little microphone on, and I looked down and it was not on. So some of this that you're going to hear is going to be a voice over, because I don't know, it didn't do right. But this is my mom right here. I was telling you that I was going to show you my mom. She's always there with me. My mom passed away in 2013. So just make sure that you spend time with your mom, your grandma, your auntie, that special woman in your life, especially if you have a living mom, okay? Regardless of what situation, circumstance, whatever was said, a lot of times you have to go and forgive them. All right, so you have to forgive them and also forgive yourself and move on. All right. All right, y'all. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. And yeah, so this is the cup again. All right. I absolutely love it. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you a part of the Ieasha Design It family where we learn and we grow. All right. So you all have an amazing day. Happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. All right. Whether you are you have your biological kids or just kids that you help take care of. All right. I want to say Happy Mother's Day. I hope that you all have an amazing day. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.